Imagine AI that doesn't need the cloud. It runs right where you are. We've all been sold the idea that AI lives in massive, distant data centers. We send our questions, our photos, our data, and wait for a response. But what if that entire model is about to be flipped on its head? What if the most powerful AI wasn't in the cloud, but in your pocket, in your car, in your home? This isn't science fiction. This is Edge AI, and it's not just the next step. It's a revolution that's already happening. Forget everything you think you know about artificial intelligence, because the game is changing, and the new rules are being written at the edge. So what exactly is Edge? Let's cut through the jargon. It's simple. Edge AI means running artificial intelligence algorithms locally on a physical device without needing to connect to a remote server. The edge is just the device itself. Your smartphone, a smart camera, a factory robot, even your car. Instead of sending data to the cloud for processing, the device does the thinking right then and there. Think of it as the difference between streaming a movie and playing a video file you've already downloaded. One depends entirely on a fast, stable internet connection. The other works instantly, anytime, anywhere. This is AI going offline, becoming You might be thinking, okay, cool concepts, but where am I actually seeing this? The answer is, you're probably already using it without realizing. When your smartphone camera automatically detects faces to focus on or suggests the best shot from a burst of photos, that's Edge AI. It's not sending every frame to a server. The chip in your phone is making those decisions in a fraction of a second. Think about modern cars with advanced driver assistance systems. A car co-E&A afford to wait for a signal from the cloud to decide whether to brake for a pedestrian. That decision has to be instantaneous. That is the life or death power of Edge. It's in smart home devices that respond to your voice even when the Wi-Fi is down. It's in factory drones, inspecting machinery in real time, and in medical devices, monitoring a patient's vitals without a single byte of data leaving the room. It's the invisible intelligence, making our world smarter, faster, and safer, one device at a time. Now, let's talk about the 3 game-changing benefits that make Edge AI not just an alternative, but the future. First, speed. Blistering, instantaneous speed. When an AI model runs on the device itself, there's no latency. There's no delay from sending data to the cloud and waiting for a response. In applications like self-driving cars, industrial automation, or augmented reality, a millisecond delay can be the difference between success and catastrophic failure. Edge AI eliminates that round trip, providing real-time processing. It's not just fast, it's immediate. Decisions are made the moment data is collected. This isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a fundamental shift in capability. The second pillar is something that should matter to every single one of us. Privacy. Think about how much of your personal data is currently processed by big tech companies in the cloud. Voice commands, photos, location, history, it all gets sent away. With Edge AI, that data never has to leave your device. It's processed locally. Your personal information stays personal. Imagine a home security camera that can identify a stranger without sending video footage of your family to a server. Or a health wearable that analyzes your heart rhythm without transmitting sensitive medical data. Edge AI gives you back control. It builds a future where technology can be smart without being invasive, where you don't have to trade your privacy for convenience. This is the foundation of trustworthy AI. And the third, equally powerful benefit, offline capability. What happens to cloud-based AI when the internet goes down? It stops working. It becomes a useless piece of technology. Edge AI, on the other hand, is resilient. It thrives in environments with poor or no connectivity. Think about agriculture drones monitoring crops in remote fields, miners using smart equipment deep underground, or relief workers using AI tools in disaster zones where infrastructure is destroyed. Edge AI ensures that critical functions keep running no matter what. It makes technology reliable, robust, and truly global, not just limited to areas with perfect 5G coverage. It unlocks the power of AI for the rest of the world. So you have speed, privacy, and reliability. This isn't just a better version of what we have. It's a completely new paradigm. So, why is this happening now? What's the catalyst? It's a perfect storm of technological convergence. First, we now have incredibly powerful, specialized chips designed specifically for running AI models. Companies like NVIDIA, Qualcomm, and Apple are packing supercomputer-level performance into tiny, energy-efficient processors. These aren't your standard CPU. They're neural processing units, or NPUs, built from the ground up for AI tasks. Second, AI models themselves are becoming more efficient. Researchers are developing techniques like model quantization and pruning, which are fancy ways of saying they're remaking these complex AI brains smaller and faster without losing much accuracy. It's like taking a massive encyclopedia and condensing it into a pocket guide that still gives you all the essential information. The hardware got powerful and the software got smart. This combination is what unlocked the door for edge AI to move from the lab into the real world. The market isn't just noticing, it's investing billions. Every major tech player is in an arms race to dominate the edge. Google is pushing its Coral platform and TensorFlow Lite for Anavice AI. Apple's neural engine has been a core part of the iPhone for years, quietly powering features we use every day. Amazon has AWS, IIoT, Greengrass, bringing cloud capabilities to the edge. And it's not just the giants. A whole ecosystem of startups is emerging, creating novel hardware and software solutions for specific industries, from retail analytics to manufacturing quality control. The message from the market is clear. The future is not centralized in the cloud. It's distributed, it's intelligent, and it's happening right at the edge. The money is flowing, the talent is migrating, and the products are shipping. This is not a trend. It's a tectonic shift in the tech landscape. What does this mean for you, for us, for the future? It means we are on the cusp of a world of truly ambient computing. A world where intelligence is seamlessly embedded in the objects all around us. Your glasses won't just help you see. They'll provide real-time translations of conversations. Your doctor won't just see your test results. They'll have devices that can predict a health crisis before it happens. Our cities will become more efficient, with traffic lights that adapt to real-time flow and infrastructure that can predict its own maintenance needs. But with this incredible power comes responsibility. We need to have serious conversations about the ethics, the security, and the governance of these powerful, decentralized systems. How do we update them? How do we secure them from bad actors? These are the challenges we must solve as we build this new future. Edge AI is more than just a buzzword. It's the next wave of computing, representing a fundamental change in how we interact with technology. It promises a future that is faster, more private, and more reliable. It's taking the abstract power of artificial intelligence and making it tangible, immediate, and personal. The cloud isn't going away, but its role is changing. It will become the place where these intelligent edge devices are trained and coordinated, but the real action, the decision-making, will happen right where we are. The revolution is here, and it's not in a distant data center. It's in the palm of your hand. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, make sure to like, follow, or subscribe. And hit that bell icon so you do miss our next deep dive into the future of tech. Let me know in the comment section what you think the most exciting application of Edge AI will be. See you in the next one.